mortal remains of Border Security Force BSF Constable Lokendra Singh Shekhawat were consigned to flames with full state honors at his native village Nagal in Sikar on Monday. His 6-month-old son Daksh Pratap Singh performed the last rites in the presence of thousands of people who had gathered to bid farewell to the martyr. In an encounter with Naxals at Kanker in Chhattisgarh, Shekhawat was martyred along with another platoon member on Sunday morning. A resident of Sikar district, Lokendra was a constable at the 114 Battalion of BSF deployed at Chhattisgarh. His platoon was returning from patrol when it was attacked by Naxals. When his mortal remains reached his home, almost entire Shekhawat region assembled to take part in the funeral procession. As the funeral procession started, the gathering shouted slogans, "Long live Lokendra Singh," and "Martyr." He was given a guard of honor by the Border Security Force. Rajasthan Minister of State for Health Martyred MLA Jawan Singh, former MLA Lokendra Singh, officials from the BSF district administration, police and locals attended the funeral, according to Sonic Welfare Officer Colonel Lokendra Singh. Singh joined the BSF as constable in the year 2011 and got married 3 years back. Moreover, Rajasthan has lost 4 of its soldiers in last 1 week. Lokendra is the 18th son of the state to return home draped in the national flag this year. Among those from Rajasthan martyred in 2018, 3 were killed in Naxal attack, 2 at Chhattisgarh and 1 in Arunachal Pradesh, while 11 sacrificed themselves in encounter with terrorists and cross-border firing at J. Rajasthan Minister of State for Health MLA Jawan Singh, former MLA Lokendra Singh, officials from the BSF district administration, police and locals attended the funeral, according to Sonic Welfare Officer Colonel Lokendra Singh. Singh joined the BSF as constable in the year 2011.